Hi, my name is Thomas and I'm the owner of Black Bear Carpet Cleaning. We have been serving customers in Sea to Sky corridor since 2016 and we really enjoy helping the local community with all their needs. Before starting Black Bear Carpet Cleaning, I spent many years in the hospitality industry and I always struggled to find a reliable carpet cleaning company.
Today, we have filled the gap in the market and not only provide reliable and excellent quality in carpet cleaning services, but we have grown our cleaning services to include tile and grout, hardwood floors, upholstery, car interiors, and most recently, we added air duct and dryer cleaning. In addition to earning the satisfaction of our clients, we are also dedicated to minimizing our impact on the environment, and that's why we use eco-friendly cleaning products and equipment. Whether your carpets have synthetic or wool fibers, we can clean them all. Depending on the construction and condition of your carpets, we will decide what cleaning system will be the most beneficial for your carpet fibers. Standard steam cleaning will be performed for most jobs. When drying times concern you, we'll go with dry cleaning performed by our amazing brush cleaning system. You deserve to breathe fresh air while staying at home. We will take care of this. We'll clean your HVAC system by using high-powered vacuum and rotary brushes to make sure all components are spotless. Our powerful equipment can even clean the largest HVAC systems and will provide our clients with quality results. Sofas, chairs, patio furniture, leather, or even your car interior upholstery deserve to be cleaned by professionals. Our highly trained technicians will do their best to make your upholstery feel and look like new again. Ceramic, marble, granite, or slate tiles, nothing stops us. Our high-end technology and 100% pet and kid-safe cleaning agents will get your tile looking brand new again and your grout back to its original color. Our eco-friendly cleaning technique works fast and the results are impressive.